Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an exciting tutorial for you. I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Snapchat account from scratch. So if you're ready to dive into the world of snaps and stories, let's get started. First things first, open up the Snapchat app on your device. Now on the Snapchat home screen, tap on the Sign Up button. This will begin the process of creating your account. Snapchat may ask for permission to access certain features of your device, such as your camera and contacts. Allow these permissions to proceed with the sign-up process smoothly. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your name and date of birth. Go ahead and fill in this information accurately. Remember, your birth date is important for age verification purposes. Then, set up a strong password to secure your account. If you prefer to use your phone number to sign up, Snapchat will give you the option to do so. Simply enter your phone number and wait for a verification code to be sent to you. Enter the code to verify your number and complete the sign-up process. Once you've entered all the necessary information and verified your account, if applicable, you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Snapchat account. And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how to create a Snapchat account from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our tutorial channel for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!